What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a special demo that I want to show you. Me and my new partner, my new bae, my new man, we're going to be traveling soon, taking our first trip together, and this just came in at the perfect time because this company reached out to me called Airless, and they have some awesome vacuum seal bags that you can use for carry-on luggage. It compresses your clothes and you can pack 3 times the amount that you would in a normal suitcase. So today I'm going to be testing it out and I'm going to be packing some of his clothes and my clothes, and I'm going to see how much can really fit in these bags. They come just like this. I'm going to show you the size of them because when I opened it up and I saw it for the first time, I was like, these things look small. Look how small they are. Look how small these are. First of all, these are hygienic, they're odor-proof, it's a strong nylon, and it's waterproof as well, and supposed to be like tear resistant. You can literally put this inside your suitcase, inside your luggage, and it will compress it. And how do you compress it? Glad you asked. It comes with a really small vacuum seal. You know, some compression bags, you have to have your own vacuum or whatever it is, and you can't travel with it. This little handy dandy vacuum suction thingamajiggy, you can travel with it. So that way, when people are packing their stuff and compressing it, when you get ready to return home, you still need to compress it, especially if you go shopping and you add more stuff to it. So this allows you to travel with it. You charge it by USB-C. Look how small this is. Look how small this little vacuum seal is. And of course, it comes with the charging cable so that way you can charge it. So this you'll be able to throw right in your suitcase and you'll be able to use it on your return trip home. So today I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to demo this product because I've always wanted one of these, but I never wanted to have a big vacuum on the trip with me, or always wondered how do you pack when it's time for you to return. So I'm going to show you. So you want to hold onto the orange tab at the top, have your zipper right here, and you're going to pull down. It's a really tight zipper because of course it's going to be a vacuum seal, but this really feels like a strong and durable bag. The only thing is it doesn't open up wide, so I'm going to just try to pack one for me, one for him, and see how much I can fit in here, okay? I'm just going to throw in a bunch of underwear and stuff in here. Now this is just a regular bag. It compresses a little bit, but it's nothing like this. This is what I normally travel with. I have like a whole pack, all right? Different sizes. This is my underwear. I like to keep this separate. I'm gonna stick this in here, okay? And we're just gonna slide this all the way down, all right? Okay, I have some workout wear, because even when I go away, I like to work out, all right? I'm gonna put in some outfits. That was 2 outfits right here. Gonna put in some little casual dress pants. Okay, and now let's see how many outfits. This is, I know some people like to roll their stuff. I'm not gonna roll anything, only because
I'll see how well it compresses. Yeah,
I wanna see how well it compresses, and I'm gonna see how much I can fit. So gonna put, this is another outfit, so that's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outfits. 5 outfits. We're gonna keep going. I got another outfit. I didn't even say how long we were traveling for, but we're gonna see.
Couple of days.
How many days?
Couple of days.
Couple of days. Let's lay this one flat. That's kind of bulky. Ooh, I've never packed like this before. All right, we got to put some socks in here too. Can't travel without socks. Can't travel without socks. We got some washcloths. I don't know about y'all, but I don't use. Now, I would have all this stuff like in Ziploc bags, but this is just for demo purposes, right? Can't forget the PJs. So we got about 5 outfits in here. Underwear, washcloths. Of course, toiletries, all that stuff will go separate. We got workout wear. And I feel like I can still fit something else. So let's go ahead and put it in here because, you know, sometimes you might need an extra outfit. You know, women are undecisive. So I'm sticking all of that in here. So now I'm going to zip this. Ooh, nice and tight. This is literally like 5 days, 6 days worth of clothes. That's crazy. And now I'm going to take this, pull the tab off of here, and I'm going to use this to open this up. I'm gonna put this in right here. Moment of truth. Okay, I'm gonna take it out and close that back. First of all, look at that.
Like a brick.
Yeah, that is completely tight. Can barely bend it. And look at that. Look at that. So you can even put something on and hold it. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pack my boyfriend's stuff.
How heavy is that?
It's not that heavy, but of course it's a lot of clothes in here. No shoes or anything in here. But I'm gonna go ahead pack his, and then I'm going to put it in a suitcase and show you how it looks inside of a suitcase. So I'm gonna put this one to the side. And also it does come with like a Find Me, a wireless tag. So that way you can literally put something on it and you can find your luggage. Oh, it is. Look at that. It comes with like a little key fob for Find Me, an Airless tag. It's called Airless. No wonder. So of course it comes with an Airless tag, so that way you'll never misplace it. That is cool. That's awesome. All right, so I have another one right here. I'm gonna zip it down. It's kind of like, there we go. Kind of tough the first time. Y'all, this is my first time packing clothes for him. Let's see how I do. Let's see how I do. I have a big guy. I have a manly man, so you know his clothes are a little bit bigger. I hope it all fit in here. So I'm gonna count out what he has. Babe, this is how you folded your stuff. Like, my God, today. We're gonna get it together. We're gonna get him together. Don't look at how it's folded. We're just looking at what he got. We got 3 shirts. We got 2 pair of jeans. So I think I am gonna roll his jeans to make them fit in better. Oh yes. So 1 pair of jeans. Let's see. Jeans. 2 pair of jeans. Ooh. Let's see. We got some shorts. He gave me some shorts. Gonna put that in between. So for demo purposes, I packed 2 pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, an extra pair of pants, and 3 more shirts. But of course, I would be able to fit a lot more like t-shirts and underwear in here as well for him. Is that all you're taking with you on your trip, babe?
Yes, it is.
I'm trying to make it fit. I'm trying to make it fit.
Our clothes are so much bigger than yours.
So much bigger than mine. Okay? So, but you still have, there's still a lot of room here. So that's 3 shirts, 4 pair of pants. So this is when you're traveling with a man who travels and packs light. The woman can put some of her extra stuff in her man's bag, okay? So we're gonna put in a towel because, you know, my man likes to have his own stuff. Of course I do. So we're just gonna put in some towels. Again, all toiletries and stuff would not go in here. We would keep all that stuff separate. All that stuff separate. Okay, so even though he has less clothes, his clothes are much bigger than mine. You're talking about a size medium compared to 1X, 2X. Again, I got a big man. All right, so close that up. And now we're gonna do the same thing. Take this, put it right here, and we're going to just twist it, lock it on, mash this a little bit. As you see, that doesn't come off. And let it do its magic. Y'all see that? Compressing. So his is taking longer to compress because I have a little bit more space left in his. I think that's pretty much good. All right, so I'm gonna stop it, and you wanna close it back. And now I have 2 compressed bags for like a week's worth of clothes, okay? Well, 5 days. We're going on a 5-day trip, okay? And I have 2 more. So they come in a pack of 2. You'll get the vacuum with the USB-C charger, and of course you'll get your Airless tag so that way you can find your vacuum seal bags. Now ready for the fun part. We're gonna stick it in a suitcase and let's see how it works. All right, so this is a regular 21, 22-inch luggage because we're trying to save money. Y'all know check baggage is really expensive, so the whole purpose of this is to fit it in carry-on so that way you can pack more. All right, travel light, pack more. Now, this fits 1 whole side. 1 whole side. Of course, you can strap it down. Now, this is an expandable suitcase. So me and my crazy self, I would probably put 2 on one side, or maybe like, because you can't turn it this way. It can only go this way. Again, this is only for a travel size. But if you're just one person, I just want to show you man and female clothes, garments, because maybe the other side would be like my toiletries, my shoes and everything. So if you're traveling by yourself, this comes in so handy, so that way you can get all of your garments, everything in here, and then you have room for all your other stuff. Hair products, makeup, shoes, toiletry, whatever. Of course, we would probably have 2 separate luggages, but just wanted to show you how it looks, how it fits inside of a travel suitcase, okay? Perfect size for your travel carry-on luggage. Then you can strap it in, just like so, whatever side you want. And I still have room. Like if I want to put slippers, shoes, I have space on this side to put stuff. So baby, this just really, I mean, look at that. I'm ready for our trip. You ready to take me somewhere, babe?
Yep, let's go.
Let's go. We're getting ready to go on our first trip. So if you are a neat traveler, if you like to pack a lot of luggage, a lot of stuff, and you don't know how to fit it all, this is the solution. The link will be down below in the description box. I have a special coupon code. That way you can save 10% off your first purchase. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description box with my special coupon code LifeVenture, so that way you can get your airless compression bags. And of course, don't leave home without your airless tags, all right? Now it's time for us to hit the airport. We're out. Bye.